How to transfer files from Android to Windows laptop. Welcome everyone. In this guide, we'll explore the easiest and most efficient ways to transfer files between an Android smartphone and a Windows laptop. Whether you need to move photos, videos, or documents, I'll show you which method suits you best. Overview. There are several ways to transfer files between Android and Windows. We'll look at the 5 most popular options. Using a USB cable, Snapdrop, Nearby Share or Quick Share, Google Drive or OneDrive, and finally, SHAREit or Send Anywhere. Each has its own advantages depending on your needs. USB cable, fastest and most reliable. The classic and fastest method is the USB cable. Simply connect your phone to the laptop, choose File Transfer mode on your phone, and open File Explorer on your PC. You can now drag and drop files easily. It's quick, safe, and doesn't need the internet, but yes, you'll need a cable handy. Snapdrop, wireless, no app needed. If you prefer wireless transfers, Snapdrop is a brilliant tool. Just connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and open Snapdrop Net on your phone and laptop. They'll automatically detect each other. Then, tap your laptop name on your phone, choose a file, and download it on your PC. No app, no sign-in, just fast and simple. Nearby Share Quick Share. For a seamless built-in option, use Nearby Share or Quick Share. Install Quick Share for Windows from the Microsoft Store, and on your Android, use the Share menu to select your laptop. It's as effortless as Apple's AirDrop, but for Android users. Just keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Google Drive OneDrive. Cloud storage is another convenient way to move files. Upload your photos, videos, or documents to Google Drive or OneDrive from your phone. Then open the same account on your laptop and download them. It's perfect for backup and remote access, though it does require an internet connection. SHAREit Send Anywhere. If you want to transfer large files without the internet, SHAREit and Send Anywhere work great. Install the app on both devices, connect via Wi-Fi hotspot, and start the transfer. It's fast and doesn't rely on mobile data, though these apps may show some ads. Quick recommendations. To summarize the best methods. Use a USB cable for large files like videos, Snapdrop or Quick Share for medium files and convenience, Google Drive for cloud access, and SHAREit if you are offline. Pick the one that fits your workflow best. Summary. Transferring files between Android and Windows is now easier than ever. Whether you prefer speed, convenience, or flexibility, there's a method for every scenario. Try each one and find your favorite. Thank you for watching.